Hello, welcome to another edition of E-Intelligence, one of our latest application that we have just released. If you're conversant with our channel, if you go to our other videos, you'll see we have ESQL, and for this particular project in front of us here, in this particular video, we have our upgraded application called E-Intelligence. And because of our new application, the three executive officers, they've also come to us now to see how this particular application can help them. So what do they have in front of us? Today they have a project, and as you can see clearly in front of us is as regards reports, and it's under data operations. They have clearly, we can see on the left hand side, this is Dataverse. If you don't know what Dataverse means, kindly look through our other videos or go to Microsoft website. You learn more about Dataverse. I will be running through the interface of Dataverse here as we go along, and I hope that will be good enough for you to get a better understanding. So what do they have for us? Let's have a look. Going to the next page here, I can see they have a project aim. What is this project aim? I'm going to have a step-by-step run through what they want from us. As you can see, they want us to give them a business intelligence insight. They want us to get top five locations and the amount from where. From a table. What kind of table? This is the name of the table, CRC 9B underscore T1S underscore 14. What this table means currently now, I really don't know, but we will find out soon. So where is the data? What are we running with? On the right hand side, you can see we're going to see the table and the raw data on the next page. Okay. What other thing do we have here? I can see, okay, they have a constraint. What is the constraint? They have zero data navigation, Dataverse navigation, which means they don't want us to be navigating in Dataverse. Clearly, if you don't know Dataverse, it's quite a wonderful application that Microsoft released, but navigation is very, very kind of tedious to do. And clearly, I guess that's why they are not looking happy. All right, let's move on to the next bit to see the data. All right, as you can see, just a little rundown from the left hand corner. This is still the project aim, so we keep it, we keep focus, and it's still Dataverse we're talking about, and this is the raw data. Okay, this is if you're new to Dataverse, Dataverse sits on the Power Apps, as you can see, Power Apps here. And this is the table they're talking about. If you can remember, this is okay. You can see really, yeah, 14 ending the table name, and this is where we are, 14. And as you can see, this is the table. What they are looking for us to get locations and amount. Or let me have a look. Looking at the columns, I can see location column is here. I can't see amount. I think this is it here, but we're going to see it clearly. I'm not going to kind of circle this now. We're going to see it clearly. So this is how difficult sometimes it could be, but E-Intelligence is going to make it easy for anyone looking to get report from Dataverse. So you might be wondering, why will the company want this kind of system? To make it simple, why are they bothering about us having a simple script for them to use? Come to your right hand side, you can see the why. So what are the benefits of having a system where you can go into Dataverse to get your report? So clearly we are using SQL to go into Dataverse, and you can see at the right hand corner there are lots of benefits. Number one, familiarity. As you know, SQL is a widely used application, which means you are in your comfort zone. Write SQL, get your reports easy and simple. We do have complex queries. You can run complex queries. You can do whatever you want to do and get the data out simple instead of kind of navigating, clicking different sections in Dataverse. Also, it's efficient, as you can see. And then finally, consistent in structure. You can build good consistent structure using SQL. So moving forward, really, what kind of solution will I be providing for this project aim. As is Dataverse, as you can see here, I'm going to be applying our newest application, which is Intelligence. And Intelligence is going to go into the data and provide a simple report on the right hand corner here. This is just a demo. Because of the use case, the graph might look a little bit different. So how am I going to do this? I'm going to be running SQL simple select statement to be able to achieve this. Just so you know, with this same process, you can run other advanced operations, which I'm going to go slow and steady as our video go along. So let's dive into the issue now. Anyway, at the end of the day, I hope I'll be making every single staff in this company as happy as this lot are looking today. So moving forward, yes, I'm going to be providing the demo now, how we can achieve what the senior executive officers want. So bear with me while I achieve this. So in front of you, what you see here, I kind of just prearranged everything. I'm going to start from my right hand side. So if you knew what my mouse is hovering on right now is Dataverse. Dataverse sits on the Power Apps, as you can see. What am I highlighting on the right and top, middle top really? And this is the table. If you remember, they gave us this table. They want us to go into this table. You can see these are the columns. How big are the columns? Let's take a look. I'm on the first column here. I'm kind of scrolling to my right. You can see the columns are so much. Oh my goodness. How many columns are these? I'm currently on 599 columns. Let's see. Let's push this aside. Let's go along. Okay. I think the columns are just scattered from beginning to end. They're kind of not consistent. Let's see. All right. That's where am I? Okay. This okay. Now this is dropping. Oh, I can see. I saw 611. 612 columns. Oh my goodness. All right. So what do they want us to do? They want us to get the location column. How can I get the location column? I will be going back and forth. That's going to take me for ages. So the best thing I need to do now, that is about the table. What do I need to know once I want to run query in Dataverse? I need to know the table name. As you can see, this is the name. But guess what? This name has space. If we do use it this way, we're going to come out with errors. So if you want to get your table name, you click on Tools. And the schema name, that is exactly what we want. We copy that. I'm going to come. Now, this is E-Intelligence, just so you know. This is the first interface. This is the second interface of E-Intelligence. Our Dataverse is I'm going to bring it up in a short bit. Yeah, let's bring it up. Yep. All right. So I'm going to click here. You remember we copied the schema name. So let's put the schema name here. You can see in this schema name, it has no space in between the 14. Very important. If you do have space in between the numbers, your query won't run. So what am I going to do next? To achieve what the senior executive officers want, I have a script, a simple script that will do the job. As you can see on my left hand side, what is the script going to do? It's just a simple SQL query. The first top thing there you can see is select standard SQL language syntax, and it's selecting the top 5 what they want. It goes to get the location column. Wherever the location column is here, which is difficult to navigate, is going to get it for us. Going to get also the amount. Then from where? From the table. I hope you remember where I got the table name, and that is all it's going to do. Once I click on this run button at the top or at the bottom, it's supposed to bring the result up here. So just so you know, I'm just going to go on the results section here, which I hope is going to provide the result of my query. But guess what? It's going to create a new sheet to provide it. Why is E-Intelligence working this way? It is designed to handle large-scale industrial, usage. You have multiple queries. You're running hundreds and thousands of queries. It's designed to help you. So let me just run it now so I can get cracking and conclude this video. I'm going to click on Run now.
Database operation started.
Okay.
E. Database operation finished. I have now finished running your query. I have created a new sheet to show you your data. When you are ready for your next SQL query, please come back to this sheet before running a new query. This would enable your query history to be saved perfectly. Thank you. Your current query result is in sheet 40.
Wow, absolutely fast. So what has it done? It went into Dataverse, has helped us to limit our navigation and the stress of going back and forth to look for whatever we want to look for, and got us this result. Just going to take I hope you can see. Let me magnify it better. It brought out top 5 what we want. Column A is the location, column B is the amount. Simple and lovely. But guess what? It does more also. It has done more. On the right hand corner, it has given us a wonderful graph that we can look at. These are the top 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the amounts in a very simple to use and graphical way. And this is how number one way, step 1 really of us solving the 3 executive officers project aim. So finally, I'm just going to comment this out to make sure they have this script ready at hand to run whenever they love it. Just so you know, there's also let's see, there's also bear with me, there's also a graph on the sheet. As you can see here, if they decide to print it out from Excel, they can do that. Alright, I'm going to click on comment now. I'm going to comment this one. This is green. This is absolutely lovely. What have we done? This is just top 5 record. Just going to say top 5 records. That is it. All right. So what you see in front of you, this is E-Intelligence providing SQL platform for you to go into Dataverse, run your query, and also document your queries immediately. This is clear perfection, and it can help you achieve your projects. All right, so what have we done now? We have succeeded in providing you a demo of what E-Intelligence can do. Where can you use this kind of application? There are lots of use cases. As you can see, you can use it in the finance industry. You can use it in healthcare, and all the way to government. If you have any kind of project you're running on, E-Intelligence can provide that for you. Do contact us. We can provide training. We can provide custom solution and any other thing you really need. This is a wonderful new product out in the market, and it can help you achieve your project aim. Thank you very much. Watch out for more videos. I'll be pushing out more videos to solve industry problems, making Dataverse super simple for you to use. Thank you. Goodbye.